Tinubu have made. This is when he arrived as the army officers who were killed in Delta State, Okoma community precisely, over a land dispute. Though on a normal ground, he's supposed to be there, yes. So this is when they move ahead to Abuja, where the ceremony, everything will take place. So we start looking around, you see him arriving. Yeah, so I brought down the video which I want you to pull down and watch and see how it goes. Well, I still pray for the families of these soldiers. I still pray for their family, for them to take heart, because it's never easy at all. When you left someone at home, tell the person you are going out for work at the end. That is how they now hear your story, that you are